and welcome to Akite's Kitchen. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make peppered snails. Like the name implies, it is a spicy snail dish sauteed with red bell peppers for sweetness, habanero peppers for flavor and spice. I like to add tomatoes for some additional sweetness, fresh basil leaves, thyme leaves, onions, ginger, garlic, and beef bouillon is all added for flavor enhancement. The salt is for cleaning and cooking the snails, and the oil is for frying. Bay leaves is the only ingredient that's missing in this part of the video, but you will see me add bay leaves later. Though I bought the snails already cleaned and packaged well, I like to give it an additional cleaning by cutting off the undesirable parts of the snail, and I also cut open the snail to make sure it is thoroughly clean. The snail still felt slimy, and this is why lots of salt is added to remove the slime. I like to give the snail a few rinses to make sure the sand is thoroughly removed. I like to cook my snails with salt, hot peppers, garlic, and onions. This helps mask the earthy scent of the snail while adding flavor to the dish. After 20 minutes of cooking on a medium-high heat, I remove the snail from heat and discard the liquid. The vegetables and herbs are sliced, cut, chopped, and ready to be cooked. Once again, I forgot to bring out the bay leaves, but you will see me add bay leaves later. This recipe calls for ndong or scent leaves. Basil leaf makes a good substitute if fresh ndong or scent leaves isn't available. To make the peppered snails, heat up the oil on medium heat. Gently add the onions and all your ingredients except for the red bell peppers, the tomatoes, and the basil leaves. Finally, here is the missing bay leaves. Stir and allow the snails to fry for 5 to 10 minutes before adding the red bell peppers and tomatoes. Cover and allow to cook for an additional 5 minutes before adding the basil leaves. Remove from heat and serve warm with your favorite alcoholic beverage or palm wine. Peppered snail is a delicacy in Nigeria and serves as a good appetizer or hors d'oeuvres. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos from Akite's Kitchen. You can also follow me on TikTok and on Instagram.